Hello from Indian Curry Recipes. My name is Margaret Pinto. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye. So today we are making plain Bombay sandwich with chutney and some veggies. Namaste. You'll need 2 bread slices. Whole wheat or plain will do. Just add butter to it. Add green chutney. The recipe is on my YouTube channel. Spread it really well on both the sides of the slices. You can use ketchup as well. Some of them don't prefer ketchup, so you can avoid it completely. Evenly spread it. Since we've added butter, the bread will not become soggy. I'm using beetroot, making it little healthy. So you cut it in thin slices and place them on both the sides of the bread. Tomato, thinly sliced tomato. I'm using avocado here instead of potatoes. And onion slices as well. But if you don't want the taste of onion, raw onion, you can avoid this completely. Add some salt. And that's chaat masala. You will find this in any Indian shop. Butter, chutney and any sauce on the bread and place it on your sandwich. Now use a jagged edge knife and cut it into 4 parts. I hope you like my recipe. Do subscribe to our channel, and next week we'll be coming up with another sandwich. That's cheese sandwich and grill sandwich as well. So stay up to date. Each week, a new recipe coming up.